friends, and welcome to the Camera Studio. This is Liz. I'm here to unbox today Winter Nap by Ivy Dolamore and Diamond Art Club. The features of the box is a nice wraparound artwork of the completed diamond painting, an insert of the original painting, and the name of the box, name of the kit is Winter Nap by Ivy Dolamore, 69.9 centimeters by 88.9 centimeters. Here it gives you the details of your kit, which is, it contains 71 colors, including 1 Aurora Borealis and 5 fairy dust diamonds. The total diamond count is 100,317, and this is the kit's reference number that you will find in numerous places. Here you will see how it works, the kit's contents, as well as an EU and USA compliance, and the address of Diamond Art Club, and that it's made in China. Here you will find it etched, Unleash Your Inner Artist, in square diamonds, which is, this is a square diamond painting, and there you will find details of your kit again if you store your box on the side. Hey. This box comes with a pull-out drawer. I spoke to Diamond Art Club. The kits can come in a side opening or the drawer. It depends on the kit. Okay. In your content you will receive a nice tool bag, which we will go through. Your diamond painting in a dust cover sleeve, and a thank you envelope. Okay. First of all, let's look at our toolkit, which is a very nice upgraded toolkit from your standard green boat and pink diamond painting pen. This tray is a new and enhanced diamond painting tray that comes with a stopper and a lid, which makes it more ergonomical also. In it you will get a spare pad of wax, your red diamond painting hard wax, and a 7 placer. And you will see this toolkit, it's got cutouts there to make your diamonds come out when you pull them out of your drawer tray. These trays are stackable, and if you got enough trays, you can even kit up in your trays, and you can put your label on there. It's a very nice feature of Diamond Art Club. You get spare baggies to keep your leftover diamonds, which is a nice feature, especially if you're painting a load. This is an economic twist and pick pen that comes pre-filled with clear wax, and what you do is you simply turn it clockwise to get diamond painting wax out, and a 3 placer. If you finish painting, you just simply click on the lid and you can store your pen. To open this nice little envelope that says thank you for your purchase, you simply just squeeze these 2 diamonds together and you pull it up. Then you will find a treasure quest card, which is a supplementary reward system created by Diamond Art Club. It also is giving you a small version of your diamond painting, which is a lovely feature. It's got a code that you can claim, and you can get either a custom diamond painting, or you can get gift cards. Okay. The sticker sheet has got individually cut stickers which give you your name of your kit, Winter Nab by Ivy Dolamore, and then Diamond Art Club's logo, it makes you sparkle, and a diamond. Then on the other side you get start and end date, your kit, again original picture and details of your kit. And here you just fold it open, there you get individually cut stickers with the number, the symbol that will be appearing on your diamond art canvas, and the DMC code. You will find all special draws is at the bottom of your draw list, and 6,000 codes is what Diamond Art Club created themselves, as there's not sufficient DMC shades for the colors that they need. In your envelope you will get tips and tricks on how to diamond paint, a step-by-step instruction, as well as kit contents, a 20% off QR code for purchasing your first purchase through the app, and it's one time, and a QR code for the Facebook group. A lovely feature. Your kit comes in a dust cover bag, which you can always reuse to store your diamond painting in, or to store your completed diamond painting in. But I don't keep it. Okay. Oh my goodness, this bronze is amazing. You will find on your Diamond Art Club kit drawers, again, you will find your reference number and the name of the kit, which helps you if you store your drawers and your canvas separate, like I do. You find the fairy dust there, as well as there, and you find the fairy dust there, as well as there, and you find the fairy dust there, as well as there, and Diamond Art Club's canvas, it's a nice lint canvas, which is a nice feature. It's got port glue on, which means you can roll it back safely for easy flattening, but it will also flatten on its own if you simply just lay it flat. And I can see this is going to be a lovely kit. Okay. Well, unrolling the canvas, I'm going to go through its features. There is again the Diamond Art Club motto, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. You get your kit's legend, which is containing the serial number, the symbol, and the DMC code as per your sticker sheet, and it will show you where you paste your draws. The draw field is nice and clear, which means you don't need to use a light pad, you will see there is lines on this cover. It is actually pre-sectioned off for you, and this cover is you can peel. You can just simply tear the cover, as it's easy to use. It's a lovely big canvas, as you see there. Okay, at the bottom you will find there's your reference number with your name of your kit, the size, and that it is copyrighted by Ivy Dolamore and Diamond Art Club. There's also a little insert with the picture of the original artwork. In the middle you will get once off 10% of your next order, but there's numerous other discount codes as well, and Diamond Art Club socials. And Diamond Art Club likes you to post your progress on the VIP Facebook group. This is a lifetime warranty for your canvas and protection should you have run out of drawers or find that you have a spill. You can just contact their customer service and they will gladly send out for your extra drawers. And this is your legend again. Okay, now I'm gonna go through where the special drawers are. Okay, the AB you're gonna find there. There's numerous places here at the top where that fairy dust is. Then you will find the next fairy dust be around here on that pot. Yeah, at the fireplace you will find the fairy dust. And on this kettle there on her hat you will find it, as well as throughout the sleeping elf you will find. This is a real lovely picture again. Thank you, Diamond Art Club. The W is another fairy dust, and you find it there. And again there. And here in the yeah, and again in that blonde there as well in the ivy. The third fairy dust you will find where will I put that? Aha! Third fairy dust you will find here all over, and again on her bed there, and on the chair there, and throughout her blanket there, and on her book there, and again on the headboard there. Okay, and then the white dot is another fairy dust, and that you will find in the fire, in the wood, and yeah, at the top of the picture a whole band, and again total top above ground you will also find it like that, and there, and there. This is a clearer picture of the draw colors, which is your color palette. Okay, now we're gonna go through 839, 3, 3, 7, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bags. 801 is 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. 898 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. Oh, they continue. 6, 7, 3, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 838, 433, 6034. The Z3865 is your first fairy dust. You will see it is a draw that contains a marker dust coating that makes them shimmer a little bit more. 300 is 1, 2 packs, 3862, 3756, 840, 434, 779, and 451. Then here we get 828, 301, 3772, 762, 407, Z3776, 400, Z895, which is another fairy dust. All the Z's is fairy dust. 3861, 3064, 3778, 452, 932, 453, 758. Wow. 413, 356, 3826, 414, 3830, 355, 435, 317, 415, 597, 3779, 221, 936, 3743, 30442, 169, 3858, 3799, 3771, and 318. Then we get the last train, which is 935, 402, 3827, 967, 319, Z203857, Z937, which is a fairy dust, 930, Z920, which is another fairy dust, 919. Then it's AB3078, which is a yellow aurora borealis, which contains a coating that gives the effect of the northern lights. It's a lovely, gives it in your face sparkle. 3774, 3844, 743, 931, 742, 921, 6021, 436. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more diamond painting related content, and hope to speak soon. Bye.